Hey everyone, welcome to the Valor channel. Today I'll show you how to completely uninstall WPS Office on Windows 10 or 11. Go to Start, type here Control Panel. Here we're interested in uninstalling a program. Type WPS in the search box. If nothing shows up here and you can see in the history that the program is installed, then go to Start, Settings, Apps, Installed Apps, and search for WPS here. If nothing is found here either, and you installed the program through the Microsoft Store, then let's check that now. Here I found it. You can uninstall it through the store. You can uninstall it just like this. Click uninstall and confirm. But for you it might be located here. This gives a more complete uninstall. Yes, but I don't have it here. So that's it. This was Valor. You've completely uninstalled it. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Wishing you all the best. Bye everyone.